In this video, let's see one numerical problem based on the concept of inverse of the element. We have already understood what do you mean by inverse of an element or what is the case of invertible elements. Let's get started with this problem and read it side by side. Let star be the binary operation, star is given to me as binary operation on the set Q0. And what is the story about Q0? That it is the set of non-zero rational numbers, means rational numbers but 0 should not be included. Defined by, there is some operation given to me as A star B is equal to AB upon 4. This is important for solving purpose. And AB belong to the set of non-zero rational numbers again. What is required by me to solve? I am required to find the inverse of the element in Q0. There are 4 options given to me, as you can read it. A upon 16, 16 upon A, 16 upon A, 16A and none of these. That means neither of all these 3. So let's solve it. First, let's build a strategy as to how to go about the question. The question is about inverse and I know that inverse and identity are related. So first we need to find out the identity element and then use that identity element to find the inverse of the element. So let's get started. Let's find the identity element. I know the formula A star E is equal to E star A is equal to E. This formula is of identity element. Now according to the relation given to me, 2 elements binary operation is given as first multiply by second upon 4. So it is first multiply by second upon 4 and here A remains as it is. We are taking up first and third at a time. Now A and A gets cancelled. So I have E is equal to 4. What is E? E is the identity element. Had the question been about identity element, this was the answer, story finished. But the question is not about identity, it is about inverse and we have found the identity element to solve inverse. Now let's see what about my inverse of the element. What is the formula of inverse? Inverse is nothing but when I have A and B and they are together operated to give me the identity element. So I have A star B is equal to what? Is equal to E, which is my identity elements. So let's see the second part of the question. That means A star B is equal to my E. Now what is A star B? A star B is AB upon 4. So let's write AB upon 4. What is E? E is just 4. So we can write E as 4. Now from this I have AB is equal to 16 or I can just say that A is equal to 16 upon B. Similarly, I have B is equal to 16 upon A. So if I see the options, these are in A, so I can find the value of A also from here. Now if A is equal to 16 upon B, I just have from here that B is equal to what? B is equal to 16 upon A. So I just write B is equal to 16 upon A and all this story is possible. Why? Because my A and B are non-zero. So in the denominator we never would have 0. This value will always exist. And so 16 upon A is my answer. Let's see what option it was. It was option number 3. So the answer to this question of inverse of an element is option number 3, which is 16 upon A.